Welcome to New Car Latest Update, your go-to source for the latest and greatest in the automotive world. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the all-new 2025 Shelby GT500, a beast that has set a new standard for muscle cars. From its aggressive exterior to the meticulously designed interior, we'll give you a full tour of this incredible machine. Let's get started. First, let's take a look at the front view of the 2025 Shelby GT500. The moment you lay eyes on this car, you're greeted with a bold, commanding presence. The front grille is wide and aggressive, flanked by sleek LED headlights that give it a sharp, focused look. The signature Shelby styling is evident, with the iconic Cobra emblem proudly displayed at the center of the grille. The air intakes are larger than ever, designed to feed the massive, supercharged engine that lies beneath the hood. The front bumper is sculpted to perfection, creating an aerodynamic profile that not only looks great, but helps the car maintain stability at high speeds. Overall, the front view of the 2025 Shelby GT500 screams power and performance from every angle. As we move to the back view, the Shelby GT500 maintains its aggressive design language. The rear end features a wide stance, with bold lines that give it a muscular look. The quad exhaust tips are prominently positioned, ready to unleash the unmistakable roar of the engine. The rear spoiler adds an extra layer of performance, ensuring that the car stays glued to the road at high speeds. The LED taillights are sleek and modern, with a signature pattern that makes the GT500 instantly recognizable, day or night. The rear diffuser at the bottom is designed to optimize airflow and improve the car's aerodynamic efficiency. It's clear that every inch of the backside of this car has been carefully crafted for both form and function. Next, let's take a look at the interior view of the 2025 Shelby GT500. Step inside, and you're immediately struck by the level of craftsmanship and attention to detail. The cabin is a perfect blend of luxury and performance. The sports seats are designed to keep you in place during even the most aggressive cornering, wrapped in high-quality leather and suede for both comfort and style. The dashboard is sleek and modern, with a large infotainment screen that controls everything from navigation to climate settings. The steering wheel is thick and leather-wrapped, offering excellent grip and a direct connection to the car's performance. The interior is packed with advanced technology, including a digital gauge cluster that provides all the information you need, from engine stats to lap times. The cabin is driver-focused, ensuring that every control is within easy reach, giving you a true performance driving experience. Moving on to the right view of the 2025 Shelby GT500, you'll notice the car's aggressive side profile. The sculpted lines along the body give it a dynamic, athletic stance, while the wide fenders house the massive performance tires. The side mirrors are sleek, aerodynamic, and offer excellent visibility, ensuring that you have full control of the road. The car's wheels are a true highlight, with a bold design that reflects the car's performance-oriented nature. The right side of the GT500 exudes confidence and power, making it clear that this is a car built for those who crave speed and performance. Finally, let's take a look at the lift view of the 2025 Shelby GT500. From this angle, the sheer scale and presence of the car become even more apparent. The aggressive stance is further accentuated by the lowered suspension, which not only improves handling, but also gives the car a more menacing look. The wide tires provide an excellent footprint on the road, ensuring maximum grip and stability. Looking under the car, you'll find the advanced suspension system that helps keep the car balanced and composed, even when cornering at high speeds. The lift view also gives you a great look at the underbody, which has been designed with aerodynamics in mind, helping to reduce drag and improve overall performance. The GT500's ground clearance is low, further emphasizing its performance credentials and giving it a more aggressive appearance. In conclusion, the 2025 Shelby GT500 is a car that truly stands out in every way. From its stunning front view to its bold backside, from the luxurious interior to its commanding presence from the right view, and all the way down to the intricate details visible in the lift view, this car is a masterpiece of design and performance. The GT500 is a true testament to Shelby's legacy, and it's clear that this car is built for those who demand the best in speed, style, and performance. Thanks for watching today's update on the 2025 Shelby G500. Be sure to stay tuned to New Car Latest Update for more in-depth reviews and the latest news from the world of cars. Until next time, keep your engines revving and your eyes on the road.